Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. Right now I'm going to teach you how to register Royal Flush Network Scheduler account. So first, you go to this link, eliteonlinemarketer.com/member/sign up. Then, if you are a member of Total Takeover, then you can choose the membership type for that category of, or if you want uh, free account for Elite Online Marketer, you can choose this one. But for this tutorial I will pick Total Takeover tools for members. So fill up your details, then choose a username, then password. Oops. Then fill up this captcha, then click agree, then next. Oops. Okay. So after that, you will be logged in inside your back office, Elite Online Marketer members site. Then you can click here. Next, you may wanna go to add and renew subscription. So you can see only one subscription here for the membership type is TTO scheduler. So you can choose if you have a PayPal account, choose PayPal. If you cannot send money through PayPal, you can use the offline payment. Okay, so for this tutorial, I will use a coupon code so that I don't need to pay or use my PayPal account. So I'll pick offline payment, then click agree. So next, so you'll be given a thank you for signing up. Your subscription has been processed successfully. So you will be redirected to your membership main page, then go to Total Takeover Tools. So from there, you will create an account by clicking this link. So if you click this link, you will be redirected to this special link where you can create your account. So make sure when you create your account, you use also the same email address or same username in your uh, Elite Online Marketer. So when I verify that, and they are the same, it will be your account will not be banned or will be not deleted if I check it personally. So seems like my username is already taken. If your username is already taken, you can use another username. For example, this one. So okay, email is taken also, so I need to register a new email address. So let's say, so okay, I will click create account. Oops, email taken again. Create. Wait a minute. I'll check if my account. Okay. So let's say my account is this one. Admin. let's try to create. Okay, so my username now is already created. So now I'm going to log inside my dashboard. So as you can see, you will receive this message. This user must be activated by an administrator, which is me. So you have to wait within 24 hours before your account in Royal Flash Scheduler to be activated. So when your account has been activated by me, for example, your account has been activated, then you can log in inside your Royal Flash Network account. So the first thing you will need to do when you log in inside your account is go to settings. In the settings, oops, sorry, okay, I go to settings. As you can see, my app ID and app secret box are empty. So what you need to do, so you can use the application, is to create an application in Facebook. So you go to developers.facebook.com. Uh, if you don't have any application yet, you need to create a developer's account. So there will be another training for that, how to create your developer's account in Facebook. So let's go and proceed create our new account. So create a new account, create a new application, then click website, then choose any application name. For example, I pick iPhone iPhone 6 Plus or iPhone 6 Plus. iPhone 6. Okay. So you just leave this one to know. Then the category you will pick is for business, for example. Then create an app ID. Then you scroll down. The important thing is you fill up this site URL with our site URL of royalflashnetwork.com. So you leave the mobile site URL blank. So click next. Then click skip to developers dashboard. From here, as you can see, your account is not, your application in Facebook is not yet available. So it's still not available to public. So what you're gonna do is go to settings first. Then from settings, you fill up, you add an email address, then app domain. Make sure you put the app domain royalflashnetwork.com. If you put another domain name here, it will not work. So if you already fill up app domain, site URL, and contact email, click Save Changes. Then from there, go to Status and Review. So from Status and Review, you just click uh, this one, then confirm. So after you confirm that, you make the application already available general to the public. So the next thing you will do is to copy the app ID and the app secret to your mm, Royal Flash Network scheduler account. So let's say this is your app ID, copy, paste, then this one. So the next thing you will do is save settings. After you have saved the settings, go down to general account settings. You pick your correct time zone. Guys, remember, if you pick a wrong time zone, your scheduled post might post delayed or advanced. So make sure you put the exact time zone that you are using. For example, the time zone I'm living at is at Singapore, for example. So I just click save settings. So after I have saved save it, then I'll go to the dashboard. So the first thing I will do is to log in via Facebook. So the application will ask you different kind of permission. Just click OK. So this one, you might want to make it public, to make your post public and available to everybody who is in the group. Next is for pages. Click OK, then it will load. So if you see already your profile, your groups, all your groups that you have joined, then all the page that you have liked and manage pages that you are admin, then it means you have done correctly setting up your scheduler account. So right now, if you want to post, you can already post using our Facebook scheduler. So there will be another tutorial how you can maximize or to use all the features of our scheduler. For now, this training will be only about creating and setting up your Royal Clash Network scheduler account. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the presentation.